Hello and welcome. 100 Omani Riyal banknote is a significant currency denomination in Oman, reflecting the country's rich history and cultural heritage. This note is part of the Omani Riyal, the official currency of Oman, which plays a central role in the nation's economy and daily transactions. The Omani Riyal was introduced in 1970, replacing the Indian Rupee at par. This change marked a new era for Oman, coinciding with Sultan Qaboos bin Saeed Al Said's rise to power, who initiated modernizing reforms in the country. The 100 Omani Riyal note has seen several design changes since its introduction. The Central Bank of Oman issues these notes, with each redesign reflecting the country's evolving identity and heritage. The most recent series of the 100 Omani Riyal note, issued in 2017, features intricate designs and advanced security features to prevent counterfeiting. This series emphasizes Oman's commitment to preserving its cultural and historical legacy while embracing modern security technology. Oman is located on the southeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula in Western Asia. It is bordered by the United Arab Emirates to the northwest, Saudi Arabia to the west, and Yemen to the southwest. The country also has a coastline along the Arabian Sea to the south and the Gulf of Oman to the northeast. Oman's geography is diverse, featuring rugged mountains, expansive deserts, and fertile coastal plains. The Hajar Mountains, running through the northern part of the country, play a crucial role in the climate. They capture moisture from the ocean, resulting in a relatively higher rainfall in some regions compared to the arid desert areas. Oman experiences a hot desert climate, characterized by high temperatures and low rainfall, especially in the interior region. The capital and largest city, Muscat, is situated along the coast and serves as the political and economic center of the country. It is renowned for its stunning architecture, including the Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque and the Royal Opera House. Located in the southern part of the country, Salalah is known for its unique monsoon season, known locally as Kharif, which brings lush greenery to the region. Historically significant, Nizwa is known for its ancient fort and traditional souks, offering a glimpse into Oman's rich cultural heritage. Oman's economy is heavily influenced by its natural resources. The country is a significant producer of oil and natural gas, which contribute substantially to its GDP. In addition to hydrocarbons, Oman is investing in diversification efforts, focusing on tourism, manufacturing, and fisheries to enhance economic stability. The 100 Omani Riyal note is more than just a currency. It embodies Oman's rich history, cultural identity, and economic evolution. Its design and security features reflect the country's commitment to preserving its heritage while advancing into the future. Understanding the geography of Oman provides context to the note's significance, highlighting the nation's diverse landscape and strategic importance in the region. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.